welcome back to another unboxing video. This one is for one of the bonus Ipsy packages, the deal of the day things that I pounced on a few months ago that I'm finally getting around to unboxing so that I can start using the stuff in there, you know, because I have my stupid self-imposed rule about if you haven't unboxed it on camera yet, don't use it. I've been trying to break myself at least a little bit of that rule lately, but I always feel like I'm somehow betraying YouTube whenever I do that, even though that's dumb. But anyway, so the bag that came with this one I think is a dupe of what came in January's, if I remember right. But I'm totally happy to have another one of that. But the stuff in here, we've got from Benefit, the Pore Professional Pore Primer, smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores, which I definitely could use. The silky lightweight face primer minimizes the look of pores and fine lines, oh hello, and helps makeup stay put. Apply all over for smoother than smooth skin or touch up over makeup on pore problem areas. To use, apply to face and blend with fingertips, wear alone, under makeup, or as a primer, or over makeup to touch up. Sounds pretty simple. 97% said skin looked smooth. 91% said it minimized pore appearance. 93% said it helped makeup stay put. Oil-free, lightweight, translucent, and silky. Literally, all of that sounds wonderful to me, so yay for that. Then, the next thing in here is a lipstick by the brand Context in the color Come Clean, which just makes me think of Hilary Duff and that damn song from a gazillion years ago. So here's the tube and the color, which I honestly don't remember what shade this is anymore. Oh, it's like this taupe color. It's like it's more taupe in reality. I'm looking at it in the sunlight just to double check, but it's like almost dusty rose, and because it's got that touch of almost pink in it, along with the taupe, I feel like that'll work better on me than ones that are just straight taupe with the just nothing but brown tones in there. If there's a touch of pink, it tends to work better, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I also have, by Phase Zero Makeup, Nude Newbie Pressed Eyeshadow. Is that the name of the color, or? I think so. Okay. Let's see it. Yeah, Nude Newbie is the name of the color. Oh, that's actually pretty. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be very, very light on my skin tone, but, that's very pretty. If it doesn't really show up as like an eyeshadow, I could probably fake it and use that as a highlighter up on the brow bone or something, because it does have that shimmery iridescence to it. So, I mean, one way or another, that'll be usable. But I'll see about using it as an eyeshadow first. Next, from Chiate London, I have a Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. If this is what I think it is, I'm actually pretty excited about this. If I could get it open, it'd be even better. I think it's in the color Matchmaker. Yeah, Matchmaker. Oh my god, why can't I get the box open? Really, though. Because I'm trying really hard not to tear the box for whatever reason. I don't even know why I feel so strongly about not tearing it, but... So here's the little compact. Yeah, it says Matchmaker on the back. The color name is Matchmaker. Man. Ooh! It is what I thought I remembered it being. It's like this cool little, almost tie-dye looking, which, you know, goes right with my shirt today, this blush that's two-toned, and when you, like, swirl the blush in it, or your brush in the blush, you get this like multi-dimensional shade, which I'm actually really, really intrigued to try. That sounds like it's gonna be so much fun to play with. Oh my god. And then finally, there's one more item in here. And this is by the brand Estate. And it's a lip icing. Does it have a color name? Let's see. It may be on the tube itself. Or maybe it's just called lip. Oh no, the color name is Drip. But look at that. Look how pretty that is. I really hope that it's tinted to actually look about that shade, because that's a really gorgeous color. And especially with that blush, I feel like it'll tie in hella nicely. Like, all of this together, I feel like... Well, I mean, obviously I can't wear the lipstick at the same time as this. It'll clash. But the rest of it I could wear all together for, like, one pulled-together look, I think. That could be really fun. But I think I'm actually the most excited out of all of these for this guy right here. And I generally like the brand Estate every time I've gotten something from them. I think this is the first time I've gotten a lip product from them. I've generally gotten eyeshadows in the past, but I'm excited for this to see how it does. But yeah, that's what I got in that little bonus Ipsy box. Pretty excited for all of it. So anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.